Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. For today, we'll show you how to fix your Midjourney application when it doesn't respond. It really is so frustrating when your Midjourney app doesn't really respond. So for today, we'll show you a quick fix for that problem. So go to your Midjourney app, select sign in and sign into your Midjourney account. While you're at it, sign into your Discord account as well. The first thing you want to try doing is clearing the browsing history of your web browser. For here, you can see we are going to clear our browsing data. Log in to your Discord account. At the same time, make sure to log in to your Midjourney account as well. If you have any trouble logging into Midjourney, you can even use a VPN. We recommend Proton VPN. Go ahead and let's check the speed test to see that everything's working properly. Now, if we've logged into Midjourney, we can even run a speed test to make sure that it isn't our internet connection that's causing Midjourney to not respond. Once you've done the speed test, you can go back to Midjourney, select Manage Sub. Midjourney will automatically check if your connection is secure. Once you've done all that, you can be assured that Midjourney will now be responding to all your inquiries regarding AI-generated images. If you've learned something new, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more easy and quick content. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.